Have you always wanted to start a garden, but you just didn't know where to start? Maybe you've tried in the past and it was the timing or the setup or the overwhelm was just overwhelming. Well, I've got something really exciting to announce, and it's the Kitchen Garden Challenge. This is your chance to finally start growing fresh food right out your back door with step-by-step guidance the whole way. This challenge is designed to take you from nothing to a fully planted kitchen garden in less than 28 days. Whether you're brand new to gardening or just looking for more structure, this is the easiest way for you to learn, stay accountable, and actually follow through. So when you join, here is exactly what you'll get. First is the step-by-step kitchen garden. I'll teach you exactly how to start a garden from scratch, step by step. Whether you're growing in ground or in raised beds, we'll learn how to choose the perfect location, how to set up your garden, create the perfect soil, and get your garden growing. Second is a personalized gardening calendar. All you have to do is plug in your frost dates and you will get a calendar that tells you when to plant indoors, when to plant outside, and when to expect a harvest based off of your specific area's frost dates. Use this calendar again and again, year after year, with your lifetime access. Third are raised bed plans. Step-by-step instructions to build beautiful and durable wooden raised beds, like you see right here. And last, but certainly not least, fourth is community support. You're not doing this alone. You'll have access to the private Earth Nails and Tails community. Be a part of a group of people on the same journey, learning and sharing together. And inside, you will find more premium guides and books and weekly Q&A sessions to ensure that you are progressing along this challenge without ever feeling stuck or overwhelmed. By the end of the Kitchen Garden Challenge, you will have a garden planted, growing your own food, and you'll have the confidence to keep it growing season after season. And here is the best part. When you complete the challenge, you'll unlock even more. You will get access to a whole year inside of the Earth Nails and Tails community. That's a $120 value that I want to give you absolutely free because I want to ensure that your first year in the garden is truly amazing. And inside of the community, we're constantly adding more resources, masterclasses, Q&As to keep your garden thriving all season long. So if you've ever dreamed about walking out your back door and harvesting a variety of veggies and herbs from your own garden, all it takes is 100 square feet, and this is your chance. Start now, grow a garden this year, and set yourself up for success for years to come. Head to the description, join the Kitchen Garden Challenge, and let's grow together.